Okay guys, so it's the end of the month and it's time for a little recap. You can see right here in one of my ClickBank accounts that I made these amounts of money every single week consistently on ClickBank using affiliate marketing. And if I'm going to bring up the calculator, you can see that the first week I made $514.40, which was from the May 3rd to May 9th this month. And then from the May 10th to May 16th, I made $672. Then from May 17th to May 23rd, I made just $541. And then from May 24th to May 30th, which was yesterday pretty much because today is May 31st. But for the last week of May, I made $790 on ClickBank with affiliate marketing. And if I'm going to add it all up right here in my calculator, you can see I made $2,448.40. And if I'm going to divide that by 4, that comes to $612 per week. And in today's video, I'm going to show you one of the easiest ways to start doing affiliate marketing and making a couple $100s per week using completely free traffic source that I'm pretty sure most of you already have experience with, or at least know the website, and completely without any previous skills or experience, you can start doing this method too. Now this is just going to require to own a laptop and an internet connection and a couple of minutes of your time to do this every single day. And the best part about this is you can do it completely for free without having to have a website. Now I'm going to show you how to do this method with ClickBank.com, which is one of the most beginner-friendly affiliate marketplaces out there, but you can also use other affiliate marketplaces, for example like Digistore24. If you have account on Digistore, you can also go ahead and use this one. Or you can do this even with Warrior Plus affiliate marketplace. If you have an account on Warrior Plus and you want to promote offers from Warrior Plus, you can use them for this method as well. But if you're going to look into Warrior Plus affiliate marketing, I highly recommend that you go to the first link in the video description where you can find an introduction video for my coaching program where I'm going to teach you how I'm making anywhere between $6,000 to $7,000 per month with affiliate marketing on Warrior Plus without showing my face anywhere on the internet, without using any of my social media accounts, or even without using this YouTube channel, and I'm still getting results just like this every single week, almost consistently. So if you want to learn this exact same method, just go to the first link in the video description and I hope to see you there. But to get back to this completely free, beginner-friendly affiliate marketing method that you can start doing right after watching this video, and all you need for that is just a couple of minutes of your time and your laptop or even mobile. You can do this from mobile too, but it's going to be a little bit more difficult because we are going to be using couple websites besides ClickBank, so I highly recommend that you use laptop for this. And once you get to ClickBank, what you want to do, if you do not have an affiliate marketplace account yet, you want to sign up for one. You don't want to go to this start button, by the way, because if you're going to click on login, and you can see right here that you get this neat little create an account here button that you can use instead to sign up on ClickBank. That way you're going to skip this little annoying survey they are going to put to all new ClickBank appliers, and you get straight to the registration form. You can see right here that is pretty standard process that's not very difficult. So even if you are a complete beginner who never signed up to any website before, all you need to do is just select your country, your first name, last name, put in your phone number, put in your email address, select a very strong password because you are going to be making money on this account and you want that money to be protected. Then you just go through the terms and conditions and agree with them and click on create an account. As you can see right here, all the fields are mandatory, but there are not that many of them, so you will have very easy time completing this sign up form. And once you do that and you sign up for your account, you can sign into it right away. And once you sign up to your brand new ClickBank account, you want to navigate to the affiliate marketplace. Pretty much how this works is you can pick from many various niches that you can find offers to promote. You can go with anything from health and fitness to e-business, e-marketing, some spirituality, new age and alternate beliefs, self-help, home and garden, cooking, food and wine, green products, business and investing. So pretty much you've got many niches that you can choose for to start promoting affiliate offers and make money from. But for this method, one of the most effective niches what you can choose is go to this self-help section and you want to filter by dating guides. If you're going to filter by dating guides, you can see right here that you're going to find a bunch of products on ClickBank that are dedicated to helping people improve their dating skills, their dating life, to help them find a life partner or improve the relationship with the current one. And this is one of the best selling niches ever. If you're going to try do affiliate marketing for the first time, I highly recommend that you for one of the top converting niches, which besides dating and relationships is finance, weight loss and health. So pretty much we are going to be going for dating niche in today's video. So what you want to do is you want to pick a product that's going to be high converting. If you go to this toolbar and you select sort results by, you can see that you can filter by gravity high to low, and it's going to display the highest converting product on top, which at the time is is this devotion system, which is going to work very well for this method. You can see right here, this product is on ClickBank at least since 2017, so it's almost 6 years that it's being sold and it's still making people money. So it's a high quality product, and as you can see right here, you can get an average conversion of $49 per each sale of this product, which is pretty much like the average amount of money you are going to be making. Now pretty much what you want to do to start promoting products such like this, all you need to do is just click on this promote button and you get to this these two fields. All you need to do here is just go ahead and fill in your ClickBank nickname, then just click on create a hyperlink, and ClickBank is going to generate this unique URL that you can promote anywhere on the internet. And once people are going to come to the sales page through this URL, which I'm going to show you exactly how that works, once you're going to open this URL up, you will be taken to the sales page, and so will everyone else that's going to click on this. And because these sales pages are designed to do the selling for you, all you need to do is just drive the most amount of traffic to this website, and once somebody is going to make a purchase, you're going to get paid commission. So once you get your affiliate link from ClickBank, I highly recommend that you save it into a notepad or somewhere where you will be able to access it later, because once you get your ClickBank affiliate link, you can close the network and move to the next step. Now for the next step, you need a right traffic source, or at least traffic source that's going to be driving tons of traffic to your affiliate link. And this website that I'm going to show you exactly in just a couple of seconds is ranking number 5 as a 5th most visited website in the world and also in the United States, which means it's going to be bringing you tons of quality traffic. And as you can see right here, this website is being visited by 6.4 billion people every single month, and most of them are from top tier countries like United States, Japan, United Kingdom, Brazil, Canada. So pretty much this website is one of the best sources of traffic out there if you're looking for both quality and quantity of traffic. Now the website I'm talking about is of course Twitter. Obviously most of you will know Twitter and what it is and what it's being used for, but most of you probably didn't know that you can use Twitter to do affiliate marketing and promote affiliate marketing needs just as well. But it's one of the best traffic sources that you can start using completely for free right after watching this video to get clicks to your affiliate link, and that way you'll get some sales too. Now what you want to do to start promoting affiliate links on Twitter is just pretty much click on this tweet button, and you want to write a short piece of content that's going to provide value first. Now if you are a complete beginner and you don't know how to get a quality content that you can offer on Twitter as a free value first, what you can do is simply go to this website right here that's called ChatGPT. If you're going to put this to Google, it will take you to this website, which is pretty much one of the most famous AI tools out there. And the best part about this, it's still completely free. I don't understand why ChatGPT is still free, but it's still free, so you can use it for this method and many other methods just as well for now. And what you want to do is go to this prompt bar and you want to write in there something like, "Hi, please write me a Twitter post with 4 steps on how to improve dating skills." Then just hit enter and let ChatGPT do its thing, and you can see right here this is going to create a quality post. This is something like straight out of Twitter, so this is going to create a quality post for you that you can pretty much post to Twitter. But before you do that, you need to add in a call to action. So I'm just going to copy this entire ChatGPT generated post, then just go to Twitter and I'm going to post it into my tweet. But because Twitter only allows so many characters in one single tweet, and as you can see right here, this entire post has 600 characters more than it's allowed per tweet. What you want to do instead to remedy this is just post this into multiple tweets. So pretty much you're going to create like this Twitter thread with these powerful tips how to improve dating skills. And to do that, I'm going to just copy this first part of this post, paste it in there, then click on this plus button next to the tweet button, and it's going to allow you to add yet another tweet. So I'm just going to go back to ChatGPT, copy the second part, paste it in there, then just go to the third part, copy it, paste it into separate tweet, then fourth part just as well. So I'm just going to create this 4-part tweet thread, and what you want to do then is just add one more. And into this last part, what I'm going to do is go back to ChatGPT and I'm going to ask it to write me a step 5 promoting product about dating. I'm just going to let ChatGPT generate it, and as you can see right here, ChatGPT has gone out of its way to generate step 5 for me. So I'm just not going to use the entire step. I'm just going to copy this like this part right here, then go back to Twitter, paste it in there, and as you can see, it's still too long. So just go ahead and delete some parts that you will not be needing, just like that. And then you want to write the name of the product in here. So because I'm promoting this devotion system, I'm just going to write here the devotion system, and then what you want to do is write write a short call to action with your affiliate link that's going to prompt people to click on it and go to the sales page. So I'm just going with something like, the devotion system will not disappoint. Then what you want to do is go back to Google and you want to search for Bitly. Hit search on that and you want to go to this first website right here that's called bitly.com, which is pretty much like a URL shortener because you need to shorten the affiliate link, the URL that you got from ClickBank. And Bitly is one of the best tools for this because as you can see right here, it's going to keep track of how many clicks you are going to get to your affiliate link. That way, you can judge if you are using the right material to promote your affiliate links on Twitter or anywhere else, and that's one of the reasons why I highly recommend to go for Bitly. What you want to do here is just click on Create New and click on Link, then just go ahead and copy and paste your affiliate link into this destination field, and you can also go to this Ways to Share and customize the back half of the link. So I'm just going to type in there the devotion system, but because this link is already taken, I'm just going to add something like AC in there to make it unique for myself. Then just go down here and click on Create, and you get your very own shortened affiliate link that will keep track of how many clicks you are going to get. What you want to do then is just go ahead and copy this shortened affiliate link, go back to Twitter, and you want to paste it in there and write something like, check it out here, and paste your affiliate link in there. Then just hit a tweet and it's going to get out there, and it's going to look something like this. First of all, you're going to provide free value to whoever's going to be reading this tweet, and at the end of this tweet, they will see that you are offering something that can actually help them resolve their issue. If they are looking for ways to improve their relationship, they are going to click on this link where they will be taken to the sales page, which is going to take them through the sales process, and once they are going to make a purchase, you're going to get paid your commission. Now all you want to do is just go ahead and post a couple of these tweets per day promoting different affiliate offers, or you can even promote the same affiliate offer. Just go to ChatGPT and let it generate a unique tweet for you, then just copy it and paste it into this multiple tweet thread, add your call to action with your affiliate link right here at the bottom, and that's all you need to do. So if you are a complete beginner looking to get started, this is one of the easiest ways that you can go about it, and I really hope you enjoyed this method. So if you did, just make sure to like this video, subscribe to this channel to stay tuned for more money making videos. And now for more money making content, try checking out this video right here. Other than that, I just hope you have a fantastic day, and I'm going to see you next time.